Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on post notifications on Instagram. This is really good if you want to be notified when your favorite creator posts on Instagram. So with that said, let's get started. Let's open Instagram, and inside Instagram we're gonna search for another profile. So when you find the profile you want to be notified about, you will notice this bell icon in the top right corner. Just go ahead and press it. So what's happening here is if you turn any of these on, Instagram will notify you when this page makes a post, story, reel, or goes live. Any of these options can be turned on and off. So if you turn on, let's say, post notifications, you will be actually notified when this person or page posts. The only thing is, if you have push notifications turned off, you will have to turn it on. So let's press turn on. This will bring you to your phone settings on iOS or Android. So I'm gonna go to my notifications on my iPhone, and I'm gonna press allow notifications, because if this is not turned on, Instagram is not allowed to send you a notification. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching and see you next time.